Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, long time no see, psych. But anywho, hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today to tell you the truth, I didn't have any clue of what to do. I feel like after so long, or after you run out of ideas. All of it, sorry. You run out of ideas, you know what I mean? So I'm going to, even though I looked at myself today and I was like, well, Erica, you got all of this blue, but I've did blue before. I've did blue and white. I've did purple. I've did pink. So today I was just looking through my palettes and I was noticing which color hasn't been used. So today I think I'm just going to go for a green and white look, even though, like I said, everything is blue. Glaze palette. Like I said, we're going to do green. Beauty Glaze palette, I'm going to go in with the color Goldstone. It's a bright green, as you can see right there. I mean, bright, dark green right there. And like I said, this is the first time I'm using these colors.
Anyhow, yeah, but I was just, like I was saying earlier, it was kind of just like, after so long of doing these tutorials.
Yep. And then I'll be able to, show you guys some type of new palette. Just like, okay. Yeah, and now, like I said, with the weather here, it was like snowing, like it was like wintertime snowing. Like, I was like, oh my gosh. And then the other week, a few weeks ago, whatever, it was like 70.
So I feel my food, I just got to eat a little snack. Because like every time I do these videos, I get hungry.
Go in my hard candy, and as you can see, like I said, this green, I just haven't used green for some odd reason. And so we're going to use that, and we're going to put that right under the other green that we just used. And this is it's like sparkly mixed with, I guess this could have been the St. Patrick's Day type of look.
Yep, up, blend it. Okay. It's very, like I said, shiny. I guess it could have been the St. Patrick's Day look.
I wasn't really thinking about that, but I want to do a soft, cute green and something look. I haven't. It's pretty though. I will say that it's really, really pretty. So. Okay, and next kit, I don't know what this is about. Okay. We're gonna put that right there. As you can see, it's like it's called Glow Kit. I'm sorry, let me show you guys. Because I was trying it out, talk to myself, tried it out, like, okay. But anyway, we're going to go in next with this lighter, it looked like a baby's diarrhea green. When your baby's, it's really pretty though. Like, I've never used this color before, and I must say it's very, very pretty.
It's pretty. Like I said, this does not at all match with nothing I am wearing. But after a while.
Okay. And okay, after that, we're going to use this green, and we're going to just kind of put it right there, which I should have did that to begin with, but I didn't. So we're gonna Plop it right. And usually,
guys, this is not something I would do because usually I would just bring it all around to right here, like all around. But since I messed up, we're going to kind of recreate
get some of these brushes out of the way. But like I said, I did not do. I feel like I've done green too before a little bit, but not all green. Like this is all green. Of course, you guys know, you seen me do it, but it was a pretty green too. I think it might be the same color green I just used right here. Make you want to try it out. Oh, look, and the brush that I used is still out. Oh, I like that. It adds it. It gives it, you know it's green, but it gives it that. Oh, I like it. And with a little highlight right there. Yeah. Okay. But anywho, you guys, everything on my eyes is green. I guess it would be a St. Patrick's Day look, which I should have did that. Wasn't thinking. I don't do it. Okay. So next I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my black gel liner, just to kind of, you know, y'all already know. Just to kind of trace it out.
So once I use my my can't talk, you
Precise line, you know, versus you see, bam, straight, and then you switch it. I always look down when I do it. And just come straight across. Look down. And then, of course, I connect it like so. And of course, it's the same little skinny brush. I love the skinny brushes because it gives you a precise, like you can just do it one time.
Okay. Oh yeah. And then I go to the other side.
Bam. And bam. Like I said, filling it in might be a little challenging because it's such a small brush. And then I go and connect the line. Bam. And fill it in. Booyah. And then that one. Bam. Easy breezy. Booyah. And there you go. You have a St. Patrick's Day, which is this. I don't even match for it, but hey, who cares? You have your St. Patrick's Day eyeshadow look.
Of course, I'm going to show you guys. I'm trying to look so you guys can see. And
you guys probably already know the rest. I'm going to finish my makeup and then I will come back and show you guys the finished look. See you in a minute. Hey you guys, and welcome back. This is the finished look. I used some of my green eyeshadow, of course, to do my lip. And I want to show you guys the finished green look.
Close and personal, like this, is the
Yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment from your lady, Mizz E. Until next time, you guys. Love you. Bye.